Kapag ID na ka. Ha? Mulay board.
So, 152.
Oh my gosh, stop recording me.
Going home na. Matthew Gaven, do you have assignment?
A story half told, left unfinished. Your voice is just a distant hum now. Painting golden strokes on
Dad,
the
what the-
sky's canvas.
Dad, you're not.
A lone crow calls out. It's lonely.
Bro, I don't want to go up there. There's dogs.
Echoes of laughter drift away.
Super cool. Super powered. Extraordinary.
A story half told, left unfinished.
Ano pa isa? Matthew. Another. Again, Matthew is asa? Swimming practice na po minami sa Chilina. Very nice place. If gusto mo o ka ng mingaw ba? Really crowded like Matthew. May sud anak. Practice pa ni siya.
Dapat ako kung gamay ikot baka ikuyog kayo apan.
O paghinay. Oh. Nagpractice pa mi siya bago pa ni siya kwan kaga tong the other day no. Oh, hinay. Sige na. Ni assignment.
Well, stop.
Okay. Ayun to sa... Waka na pray na. Juice.
Okay, so we're here at holiday.
Holiday pool? Yeah.
Yeah, and my dad's going to teach me how to swim.
Okay, love you. Go. Go. Go back here. Okay. Matthew, you're here at balik na pud mi diri.
Di ba silang Merry Christmas nakaligo na po dali?
Oh, diri mi lang maglaag pa nunay.
Coke Light.
Yeah, but all of them have different packaging. So you don't have to put original taste, you just have to put the word Coca-Cola.
Sige lang oy. Sim na nak. So nagdala gyud mi og amo ang sugbaan. Our favorite cottage. Wala po na tapos Matthew diri. Again, Matthew is asa? Swimming practice na po mi nami sa Chilina. Chilina Beach Resort. Razel and Nico, kapas. Ito si Matthew. Pa-practice na nak. Swimming pa siya kaming daddy. Mga una din ta. Apa may mangga. Yeah.
Sa palakol.
Kaon yun na. Third time, kuan yapon may freestyle
Bukod itong makaligo.
Outdoor
Itong
activity.
agyo.
with Nico and Razel. Dinner at Chilina Beach Resort. Anak. Thread, floating thread. Floating. Waka na pray na.
Unsa man na?
Oh, great.
36 times.
My alma mater with sincerity. Let's spread your love and loyalty.
Assure usual name according to the number of sides. It is done by combining a prefix which is a number derived from lateral. A pentagon is
Grabe yung snack ni Matthew. Ili unsa na pajibar na color.
The one that's the
Look, igisi man tanan. Grabe among estudyante oy. For dinner na na.
no.
Ha?
That
Okay.
Okay, so we're done with my school project, and you can see that this looks like a piece of crap.
Yeah.
Like, look at it.
Uh-uh.
It's not even checkered on the back. This is what it looks like. And yes, there is like some errors.
Uh-uh.
It's like not that perfect.
Uh-uh.
You can see here.
Yes,
It doesn't
yes.
align.
Down lang, knock down. On the camera lang. I-down lang. Kay nagana naman ko.
You can
Okay.
see it doesn't align.
Yes.
But like, it's on both sides.
Yes.
Some parts of it don't align, but like this, it
Kanang
looks
sa-
a lot more better than this.
Mm-mm.
And it looks like an actual checkerboard.
Yes. Perfect. Thumbs
Yeah.
up. Okay. 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 Inspection time.
You should have got married when you're 20. Like,
But useless ang
22.
pag-inspection kay wala man sa na metal
Detector.
detector.
You forgot what that's called.
I-check ra, gi-open ang bag. Simply open lang yun siya. Then
So
pass
it's
dayon.
useless.
Yes.
Di sakto man anak.
Akong gingan ako nga kay wala. First time pa niya ang kulong. Basta nagtarong ang kan.
Kumusta naman si Kuya AJ nimo? Lagi kikita man ko kay nag-live man siya. Parang ikan daddy. Wow. Where will you go, Nak?
Yeah, I'm gonna ride my bike.
You will ride your bike with daddy?
Yeah.
Be, show me your the uniform. Okay, that one. Wow,
It's honestly pretty long.
Kasi to kanang nak. Kanang unsa na gloves.
Gloves? Bike gloves?
Bike gloves. Then the shirt, Pilipinas Racing, then at the back be, sa the back. Wow, nice uniform. Okay. Okay, sige na, go na.
Anak ka.
Dungan. Dungan nak, dungan. Sa amin ang center.
A story half told, left unfinished.
What are you eating, Nak? Pastel? Pastel. Yummy, no?
Yeah.
Break time. Break time. Yan
Yana sa daw nak be. Nak, puta na sa daw ko yana sa.
A story half told, left unfinished. Your voice is just a distant hum now. Painting golden strokes on the sky's canvas. A lone crow calls out its lonely song. Echoes of laughter drift away. A story half told, left unfinished. Your voice is just a distant hum now.
See, Nak. Bike time? See, bike time. Excited?
Painting
Daddy.
golden
Daddy's
strokes
on the
on the
meeting.
sky's canvas.
Over there.
Contest. Then occasion ahagi. Igual occasion. Oh, then project component. Then project component.
Ito dito ka.
Puno.
150 pages ni. Bang, for signatory, 15 signatory yan ni. What are you doing, Nak? Stop motion daw na siya. Lot sa una niya pag-edit later. For vlog, Nak. Just experimenting in the stop motion. Friday. BSP?
Investiture.
Investiture, senior high. PSP.
You're here at City
City
High,
High, investiture.
and then you're doing. You say something. Everything.
Investiture. We're done with the actual investiture part. Now we're doing the camping part.
Camping part.
They're cooking by ready eggs, so
Yes.
I'm not going to cook. They're right there.
Here in school campus. So muna na ilang mga tent. And then here, Matthew. Huh?
Thank you.
Uh-huh.